Thanks for coming back. Got some good news. As of this video, let me check really quick. As of this video, my phone doesn't have any signal, so it's really slow. As of this video, I'm at 4,988 subscribers. I'm anticipating to meet that within the next day or so. I know you're not supposed to count your chickens before you hatch, but oh well. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a giveaway. This is a really special giveaway. Mark over at Hobby Nut Models contacted me. He says, Matt, are you going to do a giveaway for your 5,000 subscribers? And I said, I guess. And so what we're going to do, with the help of Mark at Hobby Nut, is we're going to do that. We're going to have a giveaway. And so I got to brainstorming. What kind of giveaway do I need to do? I really don't want to draw numbers. I did that model and gave that model Corvette out a while back, and I printed them all out, cut them out. I didn't know I could do like a random YouTube generator, so I did it the old-fashioned way. We just cut them out. And Ruthie, oh, by the way, there's Ruthie.
Hey.
Anyway, I'm not going to do that. So we've got something a little childish, because, you know, we're just guys that play with these toys, these little toy kits. So we're going to do something from 3rd grade. I'm just joking. They're not toys. It really offends me when people call them toys. They're man hobbies. Is that what it is? So what we're going to do, Ruthie's going to start reading some rules. There are rules. And if you break those rules, you will not win this contest. So number one, not necessarily a rule, but how it's going to work. Go ahead.
You'll pick a number 1 through 5,000.
Okay, stop.
Okay.
Stop. I told you we're going to do them one at a time. So you're going to pick a number between 1 and 5,000. Why not? Because it's 5,000 subscribers, right? Doesn't that sound childish to pick a number 1 and 5,000? Well, I figured it would be a lot of fun because you've got like tons, 5,000, what's the odds? Let's say, I can't figure that. If there was 200 people, what's the odds in 5,000 that you could, anyway, I won't even get into that because I couldn't figure that without a calculator. Alright, so you have to guess a number between 1, I doubt it would be 1, to 5,000. And I seriously doubt it would be 5,000, but you could choose those two numbers if you wanted. But so pick a number, 1 to 5,000. Go ahead.
And leave your number in the comments.
Alright, so your number's going to go in the comment section. That's a pretty obvious one. Why did I even write that one down?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. So put your number, your guess, in the comment section. That's how I'll know what your number is. Is it 1? Or is it 2,500? Or is it 2,577? Or is it... There's a lot of guesses in between 5,000 here. Go ahead.
You can only guess one number.
Okay, so you only guess one number. Don't guess... Okay, so that's like... Don't take more than one turn. So you can only have one turn. So get it right the first time. Don't start throwing 2 or 3 in there, because I'm going to go through them and I'll see if you've done multiples. And I will throw you out of this contest if I see more than one guess. All right.
If the number given from more than one person, the first to give that number will be chosen.
So my wife said, what if someone gives the same number? And I think someone else, it might have been Troy Roberts, I don't know, or Mark, we were on texting last night about this. Yes, there's a possibility that someone could guess the same number. And in that case, we'll pick the person who guessed it first, because they come in, the comments are in a chronological order. So we have ways. We're able to tell who gave that number first. Okay, I'll get to that later. Go ahead. We got another part of that.
The number will be picked from a number generator. Carrie said that though.
Did I already say that?
Yeah, I think so.
So yeah, we're picking the number. I'm not picking the number. It'll be one of those generate. No, I don't think we did. No, I don't think so. It's a generator, so a random number generator that you do on your phone. It's you can put 1 to 5,000 and you hit generate, and it gives you, it randomly picks a number. That's the only fair way I can think of doing it, because I guess I could ask my daughter Ellie. I could say, Ellie, these guys they're trying to win a prize, and they're guessing from 1 to 5,000. Pick a number between 1 and 5,000. 5,000? And see, that wouldn't work, so I have to use a generator. Ruthie wouldn't do that. She would probably guess a really, like, 3,722. Alright?
We'll do it the Price is Right style. Whoever is closest without going over will win.
Okay, so have you ever watched The Price is Right? Come on down, Bob Barker. Spin the big wheel. So when those people stand up there when they come on down, they all stand there, and Bob shows, or somebody shows them a prize, and they say, give your bid nearest, well, whoever doesn't go over wins. So, for instance, if the random generator picks, let's just be easy, 2,500, and you went 2,501, well, you're out because you went over. So it's either the number or below. But the random generator can pick up to 5,000. So it could possibly pick like 4,000 something. It could pick 5,000. It could randomly pick 1. It could randomly pick 5,000, or it could pick any number in between. So you have to be the number or under in order to win. Any more?
The number one.
I wrote these. That's why she's having trouble reading them.
The 100. What?
Oh, okay. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, $100 gift certificate for the first place.
Okay, so you're wondering what we're going to give you. $100 gift certificate to Hobby Nut Models. Isn't that cool? Yeah. So first place will get a $100 gift certificate to Hobby Nut Models. That will be given to you as a promo code to your email. So when you win, you will contact me and I'll get your information, and we'll send you that promo code. Okay.
There will also be a second and a third place winner.
So if you didn't win, you still have a chance. Not for the $100 gift certificate. That's gone. That's totally gone. But what we're going to do is we're going to give a second and a third place. I'm going to let my friend Troy Roberts actually go through and find out who the second and third place and all this. Just joking, Troy. Anyway, we're going to do a t-shirt. So I'm going to give I've got some new designs too. So my friend Mike has been sending me these cool designs. He's a graphic designer or something like that, and he's been sending me these new designs. So if you look at my Teespring store, please go over there and check it out, because your chances of winning a t-shirt are very slim. But you can go buy one and you can be guaranteed that you'll have it. But anyway, there's some new designs and they're really, really cool. So go over there and check them out. But anyway, that's what second and third place will be. There will be a t-shirt. So I'll ship you a t-shirt through my Teespring store. What I was going to mention earlier is if there was a possibility that two people had the same number and that number was the winning number, well, the first person is obviously going to win the $100 gift certificate, but the second person with that number then would be second place, and third place, so on and so forth. So whoever's farther away, or whoever's, you understand it. I'm really overcomplicating this thing. Anything else?
Yeah. He will pick the winners on Saturday, 8th through 28th. Wait, is that 8th through 28th? It looks like that.
Okay, so I'll pick a winner. So the winner, I'm not going to do a live drawing, because I'm a real person. I don't just come in here in the model room and just have unlimited time. So Saturdays I tend to do work around the house and things like that. So I will video that drawing on Saturday, and more than likely we'll have that video out Saturday evening. So be ready to watch for that. But that's when I'll do it. But I will video picking that random number. And no, I promise you, if it doesn't pick the person that I like the best. I won't do it again. It'll just be one time, okay? So that'll be on Saturday the 28th. This coming Saturday. Today is the 24th.
Yeah.
Today's the 24th. So today's Tuesday the 24th. So that'll be Saturday, and I'll do it on Saturday. So that'll be an exciting day. But $100 gift certificate. I can't thank Mark over at Hobby Nut enough for supporting me and allowing me to do this. Give that away, and you're gonna whoever wins that's great, because you can go over and check out his inventory. Don't forget to do that, and I say this in all my models. Go over to Hobby Nut Models and check out Mark's inventory, because you might not win it. Chances are you probably won't win it, but somebody's going to win that gift certificate. And go over there, check it out. Go ahead and browse his inventory just in case you win it. And go see what all he's got. He's got a lot of upgrade stuff. He's got a lot of customizing parts. He's got a lot of kits. He's got a lot of other stuff, paints. This, I can't wait to use this stuff. This MCW paint. Go over there and get you some of that. I've only heard good stuff about it. But anyway, I don't want to leave anything out. Let me read over these really quick. 1 through 5,000.
I read more.
Oh, you know what? That's what I meant to say. When you leave your number in the comment, don't leave a comment. Please just leave the number, because I don't want to have to go through there. And so I'm not trying to sound ungrateful. I really enjoy your comments, and I read every one of your comments. But when I don't really want to read your comments about this. I just want the number. So just spit the number out there as your comment. It's attached to your YouTube name. I know who you are. I will reach out to you through that comment, and I will let you know if you won or not. Well, I will let you know if you won, because if you didn't win, I'm not reaching out to you. So only leave the number. Please do that for me. That will make my job, or whoever does this, looking through all these hundreds of numbers to try and find. This is probably a real huge mistake, actually, now that I'm thinking about it, because there'll probably be hundreds of numbers that I've got to go through. Oh man, what have I done? Anyway, I've created a monster. Alright, well, I guess that's all, but don't forget to go to Hobby Nut. Don't forget to go to the Facebook group. I'm going to post this video at the Facebook group. So, have you already joined our Facebook group? I understand a lot of people don't have Facebook, but if you do, go over to the Facebook group, join the group, post your pictures, your builds, your comments, talk. Let's just have a good time over there. But anyway, yeah, do that. And don't forget, again, to go over to my Teespring store, and all of that is attached or linked in the description. So in the description below is Hobby Nut Models, Facebook group, Teespring, Chris Callan Auto Art. I always have my buddy Chris's website on there. Go over and check out his amazing artwork. And yeah, this is going to be fun. So as soon as I upload this video tonight, I guess the sooner you get your comment in, the sooner, or that raises the chances for you to win. Because if someone gets the same number as you, you're just second place, and that's a T-shirt. And I would rather have a $100 gift certificate. But anyway, all right, Ruthie, you have anything to say?
Have a good day.
Have a good day. That was it's almost nighttime. So.
Yeah, night, day.
All right, well, you guys take care. We will see you on Saturday. Bye.
Bye.